Sezzle is a popular buy now, pay later BNPL app that offers a flexible way to shop online or in store without paying everything up front. With Sezzle, you can break your payments into 4 interest-free installments over 6 weeks, making it easier to manage your spending. The best part? There are no hidden fees as long as you stick to the payment schedule. The process is simple. After making your purchase, you pay 25% of the total upfront, with the remaining balance split over the next 6 weeks. If you need more flexibility, Sezzle also offers options like pay in 2, pay in 5, and even monthly payments for bigger ticket items, though the terms may vary depending on the product. Signing up is easy and doesn't impact your credit score. You'll get an approval decision within seconds, which means you can start shopping right away at major retailers like Amazon, Walmart, Target, Nike, and even services like Lyft and DoorDash. It's a great option for those who want to spread out their payments without accumulating credit card debt. Sezzle has also partnered with a wide range of brands, giving you plenty of choices for where to shop and how to use the service, but like any financial service, Sezzle has its downsides. For instance, if you don't make your payments on time, you might face late fees, and in some cases, missed payments could be reported to the credit bureaus if you enroll in Sezzle Up, which is a service that helps build your credit. This means that while you're enjoying the convenience of delayed payments, it's crucial to stay on top of them to avoid any long-term impact on your credit. Additionally, while the app itself is user-friendly, the service fee of $5.99 on certain payments might catch some people off guard, especially on smaller purchases. On the plus side, Sezzle does offer a loyalty program through Sezzle Spend, where you can earn credits towards future purchases. Sezzle Premium is another option for users looking for more benefits like waived service fees, discounts, and priority customer support. It's a good fit for those who frequently use BNPL services and want to maximize the benefits. Ultimately, Sezzle can be a fantastic tool for managing your purchases if you're disciplined with your payments. It's convenient, interest-free, and widely accepted at top brands, but you'll need to stay aware of the potential fees and credit reporting aspects. If you're someone who needs extra flexibility in managing your finances, Sezzle might just be the solution to your payment woes. Just remember to read the fine print and use it responsibly.